Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to show you a recruitment analytics dashboard that we did recently for one of our clients. So this dashboard is a visual tool that provides insights into the recruitment process by tracking and analyzing key metrics such as time to hire, cost per hire, source of hire and candidate quality. It helps organizations optimize their hiring strategies, improve efficiency, and make data driven decisions to attract and retain top talent. So, now let me break down the visuals in this dashboard. So, first of all, we have two slicers here. One is for states, which shows us all of the states available in our dataset. After that, we have another slicer which is for years, which shows us all of the years. And then we have around 5 card visuals. Number 1 is for applications. It shows the total number of job applications. We have received 929 applications with 820 completed and 109 incomplete. And previous year's total was 903. Another card visual is a screening, which displays the number of applicants that passed the screening stage, which is 820 compared to the previous year, which is 796. Moving forward, we have interviews, indicates the number of candidates interviewed, which is 680, with the previous year's total being 684. Moving forward, we have offers, which shows us the number of job offers made compared to the number of previous years. And then we have another card visual which is hires. It shows us the number of candidates which were hired compared to the previous year. After that we have another visual which is application completion rate. It indicates the percentage of applications that were completed, which is 88.3. After that we have another visual which is hiring visual. It shows us the percentage of hires made from the total number of applications, which is 38%. Moving forward, we have a monthly hiring trend chart, which is basically a line chart that tracks the percentage of hiring each month, showing a peak around July and August. After that, we have a bar chart, which is for rejection reason. It is the bar chart highlighting the reasons for candidate rejection, with flexibility being the highest, followed by timing, then salary, and at last location. After that we have another visual which is hire by source. It is a stacked bar chart displaying the number of hires sourced from LinkedIn and websites and referrals. We have higher number of source as LinkedIn. After that we have recruitment funnel, which is basically a funnel chart showing the conversion rates at each recruitment stage from applications to hires. So first of all we had 100% application, out of which we did this screening for 83%, 73% of them got the interview, and then 48% offers were made, and then the hiring rate was 38%. Moving forward, we have another visual which is applicants distribution by department. It is a bar chart comparing the number of applicants versus the number of hires in various departments such as marketing, technology, finance, and sales. So for marketing department, we have interviewed around 155 candidates, out of which 81 of them were hired. So the dark purple color indicates the interview and the light purple color indicates the rate of hiring. And we had lowest interviews and hiring in the human resources department. And for our last visual, which is applicants breakdown by education, it is a horizontal bar chart showing the number of applicants and hires categorized by education level: bachelor's, master's, associate, and PhD. So the dark purple color indicates applicants and the light purple shows us the higher rate. So we had applicants from bachelor's around 278, out of which 134 of them were hired who were doing bachelor's. So this was it for the dashboard. These visuals collectively provide a comprehensive overview of the recruitment process, helping to identify trends, bottlenecks, and areas for improvement. I hope you like this dashboard. See you in the next video.